when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit, yeah. It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit,
when you pull up with a and it's
different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit, so put your ass in the car, come through.
forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is throwing the chick. Shawty is throwing the chick. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life, and I'm just recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you direct instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important and shit. You know I'm supporting this shit. We used to be pornos when you would come over, but now you got Mars and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit. Don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head, and then you go blow up a bit. She moved out of state, he shook and went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and niggas. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit, Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life, and I'm just recording this shit. Daddy's not around, mama's definitely not around. She got a business plan, but she just ain't had time to write it down. Stay with her sister now, she got a man, but he out of town. Soon as he out of town, they hop in his whip and they ride around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and they get to sliding. Thought about trapping and playing before, but that just ain't right. Look in the mirror if you wanna look at some things on the bright side. Like the 325, you feeling too good to work tonight. She moved out of state and shit and went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and niggas. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit, Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life, and I'm just recording.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited, then just change my mind like that? Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but it's lost and hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for a company that I've never worked with before, and they go by the name of SoFeel Hair. So shout out to SoFeel Hair for sponsoring today's video and working with me. Today you guys, I am reviewing this gorgeous like brown highlighted unit from them, and I haven't worn this color in a little while. I thought it would be like, you know, a cool moment. I thought it would be a great moment to pull this color out because you guys love this color on me and I love this color on me as well. I'm not sure on the inches of this unit. I did cut some of the ends off, not that much. I just barely snipped my ends because, you know, we want to make sure that the ends are looking full. We don't want to give straggly, so that it's, you know, it's a little bit more full and all cohesive at the end. But I would say after cutting it, now it's probably about like a I would say this is a 24-inch unit, and I cut just a little bit off, so it's not that much shorter. But yeah, if I come up close, you guys can really see how gorgeous this hair is. And I like the fact that the highlights are not like too blunt. You know, they are blunt like on this side, you know, but because I kind of like blended all the hair together doing like a flip over, it's more of like a nice sandy brown looking kind of color, and just like a nice little pop of highlights, not too much. You know, we can always bring more of that blonde out if you move the hair around a little bit, as you guys can see. There's so many different dimensions to this unit, you know. It's like nice chocolate color with like that caramel swirl type of vibe going on. I honestly think this unit is perfect for the girls who want to wear color, but they don't want to wear like very exaggerated, crazy, bizarre colors. They rather wear something that's more like, you know, neutral earth tone. So this definitely will work for you because it's perfect even for the girls who are in like a workplace. You know, if I was to come on here with a bright red wig, that's not something you would really wear in a workplace, but it just depends on where you work, honestly. But something like this is just very classy. It's work appropriate. You know, it'll definitely spice up your look a little bit and have people looking at you like, okay girl, I see you, boo. Like, this is definitely that kind of vibe. And if I can be honest, like different units, and I know this is not just me, but different units bring out different vibes within me. And it's like certain units, they give me more grown and classy, you know, where's the wine type of vibes. Like different hair bring out different vibes. So even how, you know, just how you style the hair, it can give youthful or it can give grown. You know what I mean? It's just all up to how you style your hair. But all in all, I really do like this hair, you guys. And for this to be my first time working with them, I'm impressed. The hair is very good quality. It didn't have any funny smells, okay? Because I have to tell y'all about a unit that I received not too long ago, and it smells like fish, okay? And I do not like that, but this unit does not have any smell, so I can appreciate that. And also, if you guys are wondering, I did bleach the knots on this unit. So if you do get this unit, I know the knots are brown and blonde, so you feel like maybe you don't need to bleach the knots. And hey, maybe for you, you don't feel like you need to, but for me, I just wanted to bleach the knots just to make sure that, you know, we're giving scalp, you know, wherever we part. And even with doing that, when you have like colored hair, whether it's brown, purple, blue, whatever color it is, you kind of need to put concealer in the part just to help it stand out a little bit more. So that is something that I did do today, and this is the vibe. I was also able to, you know, curve my part a little bit, you know. Now, as far as the lace on this unit, let's talk about it. So the lace on this unit, I actually really enjoyed the lace on this unit, but for some reason, the way that I applied the unit today, it didn't really melt how I wanted it to melt, like all up in here, you know, but we still was able to manage, even though it didn't melt like, you know, perfectly. But like, I thought after I left that elastic band on for so long that my hair was going to be for sure melted, because I've left the elastic band on for like 2 minutes before and my lace was melted. So I'm just like, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, sis. Like, if the lace doesn't melt like how I want it to, it's usually because of me. Because on this side, before I even put any baby hair, it was giving melted. Like, she was cute, but like all right here in the center, that was another reason why I went ahead and just did the side part, which I originally thought about that, and then midway I changed my idea and said I was gonna do a middle part, and then boom, I did a side part. But it worked out because, you know, now I don't have to worry so much about like the lace issue. But if I come up close, y'all can see like she's so cute, you know what I mean? She's so cute. And then this is my edges and what we're giving on this side. Yeah, and I didn't do like a really thick amount of like baby hair right here because the baby hair that's here, like, it's blonde, so I didn't want to have like blonde and brown baby hair, so I just used a little bit of the brown hair. But that's what we're giving there. And then yeah, but yeah, if I pull my hair back, you guys can kind of see, like, you know, y'all know I can melt better than this, but I just didn't like how this melted right here. So, you know, we're giving side part action today, honey. But look how like silky smooth this hair is. Like, it's very, very nice quality hair. Like, I really do like this color and the quality. And anytime I see hair like this, I don't know why I always think of Mulatto, like, or her name is Lotto now. But every time I wear my hair like this, I always think of Lotto. Like, her natural hair color is so pretty to me, like that sandy brown type of color. Like, we live for that. So yeah, this is the vibe that is definitely giving me, and it's just like a very pretty ash brown. And as you guys can see, like, if you wear it in the middle part, it's a different kind of vibe than if you wear it like off to the side. So this is what she's giving though. But anyway, so you guys, I gotta get up out of here, so I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit later. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much to SoFeel Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.